Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a hybrid assessment. This is the dashboard for Elluminate. In order to create a hybrid assessment, you first must go to Assessments and then create a new assessment. It will ask you if you want on the fly or manual. You need to click manual for a hybrid assessment. Then you need to put in how many questions are in your assessment. Today I'm going to show you how to upload a benchmark into Elluminate. You have to give your assessment a title. You can choose to add any of these filters. It's totally up to you. In order for your students to see it in their portal whenever they take the assessment, it has to say yes. This will also show them the results when they're finished. Here is where you will align your questions to a specific standard. You can also click how many points you want to add here in these boxes. For right now, I'm going to leave all ones in all of my 60 question boxes. Now to link standards to your assessment, you need to click here where it says None. In order to link your standards, you first must search them. You click your subject area and your grade level and search. It will then show you your search results. You will click the plus button and it will show you all of your standards and their substandards. Now you must click which ones you want to link with your assessment. And then you click Link Standards. Now it tells you that you have 15 standards linked to your assessment. You will then go back to your questions and click None, and then it shows you the boxes to link your standards to your questions. Now, for question 1, it deals with 2A, so I will check the box for 2A. I will then do the same thing for question 2. And you'll keep going down until you get to all of your questions. And then at the bottom you have to click Save. Now each of your questions has a standard linked to it. I clicked Save at the bottom to save to make sure all of my questions have saved with their standards. And then you need to set up how you are going to administer this test. Are you going to print bubble sheets? Are you going to scan them in? Or are you going to give them online? All of my tests are given online. So when you click the online section, it will ask you to add a roster. Here you will be able to pick which day you want your assessment to start, when you want it to end, and the times. You can also filter out your grade level and your courses. You can also set settings, how many pauses you want them to have, if you want a password, and the material that you want to select. And then you will click Save. Now for a hybrid assessment, you have to have material in this section. As you see here, I did not upload any material. So I need to click Save. I need to go to Setup and Materials. Here I will be able to upload a document. I will pick my benchmark exam. I will open it. And then I will select Attach when it's finished. Now if I'm going to give it online, I will go back to Online Testing. I will click the Edit button. I will scroll down to Materials and I will select my booklet. And then I will click Save. Once it's finished, you're free to leave this window. You can also preview your online assessment to see what it would look like. You can also print answer sheets for this assessment. You can generate them, and you can print them using the print button. This will be most helpful for the teachers who do not have access to Chromebooks. And then you're finished. It will show up in your assessments when you click List Assessments, right here. From here, you will be able to duplicate the assessment or share the assessment. Once your students have taken this assessment, you will be able to click on it and click Reports, and then filter out any reports you would like to use. I personally like to use the teacher peer comparison because you can click on it and have it generate by standard.